2005 Toyota Sienna automatic transmission. This car got stuck in neutral. It does not turn on, it doesn't crank because it's in drives. If you get stuck on the road or something, I'm gonna show you how you can go home while that's the wire, the cable. You follow it right there. I hope the camera, I'm not sure if the camera is gonna get that. Okay, right now I put it all the way down. All the way down should be parked. All right, and that's in park right there. It's in park. Now I'll see if I can turn it on. All right, it's in car is turned on already. So now, if you want to go home, don't worry about this thing right now. Not even try to do anything. It will not work. At this point, when this happens, now that the engine is running, you gotta go there. If you have a helper, it's better because you have to put your foot on the brake. When you put it in D, you know you're ready to go. And if you put it in reverse, you know you're gonna go in reverse. That's the only thing you have to do while the car is running. So if you're gonna do this by yourself, just take precautions, because the only thing, as I said, you have to do, you have to move the cable there and the transmission, the one I was moving, while the car is running. Because if you put it in D, when the car is off, it will not do anything. The car will not turn on. Okay, I'm gonna start by removing this panel here. This panel. We have a 10mm bolt here, and it's supposed to be another one here beneath this trim panel. But that's the other 10 right there. And these are only clips basically. I'm gonna leave it like that. Or maybe you can take this off if you want to. These things off, these connectors off. All you gotta do is press on the tap and that's it. Okay, right now I just want to mention something really quick. Here is supposed to be a trim panel here, a metal panel right there. That's where it goes. This one is missing over here, and this is the other. So it's a metal panel here is missing. Since it doesn't have a clip right there either, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm trying to take that out, the plastic screw right there, but sometimes they just turn and turn. Right there. You just pry on this. Just pry them out carefully, because this is very sensitive to break. See if I can pry this. For this, you have to pry this here, like this. You can either disconnect it, or you can, a small bolt is supposed to be here. I believe it's 10mm bolt. This one is missing too. It seems like some stuff, and this one on this side is also missing. Okay, I'm gonna take this small. Just be careful when you pry this. As I'm saying, it's very sensitive to break. And all you do is pry it as you go down, just carefully, and see, it came out here. 10mm bolt. Make sure it doesn't fall inside there, so just be careful with that. I'm gonna put this aside. Oops, that's a 10mm bolt right there too. Here. I'm gonna move this, and when you do this, make sure you have blocked the rear tires and emergency brake. Emergency brake is working very good on this vehicle. I'll end up disconnecting this thing. This thing is on my way here. here for the cigarette lighter. Now I'll move this thing here. Now I gotta see where I can hold it. See where here is the shifter here, right there. This one is the shifter. It's soft. It's the small grommet here. There's grommet. They always go bad. And that should be a permanent fix right there. That's the cotter pin right there. That's a permanent fix. Okay, now has been fixed already. I'm gonna put everything in our bag right now and just confirm that the car moves with no problem. And there it goes. The car is moving with no problem. Right there is in D. Oops, yeah. All right, very good. And it's not. Oops. This one is only clips. That's a 10mm bolt right there. And the one that goes here. Now this is supposed to be a bolt here, and another one here on the other side is not there. Oops. I'm gonna be putting this trim here. Spindle trim. This is goes under this. That plastic screw right there is not good, so it's all loose. But